Hi, this video is to introduce MicroPython, another way of coding microbit. Now, generally, there are two ways of coding a microbit. You can either use a block-based programming approach called MakeCode Editor, or you can use a text-based programming by using MicroPython. So far, you have been using the MakeCode Editor. So today, I'm going to introduce MicroPython to you. And before I do that, let me share with you the benefits of using MicroPython. Benefit number one, in the real working world, the IT professional use text-based programming. They don't use block-based programming. Let me give you an example of a text-based programming application in the real world, and that is Instagram. So if you go to the Instagram page, you right-click, and then you go to View Page Source. You can see that all this is text-based programming language, and the programming language used is JavaScript as well as HTML. Benefit number two would be block-based programming take up a lot of space on the screen. So if you want to write a large program, block-based programming is not suitable. So an example would be this a very simple program called scissors, paper, stone. So if you if you download this program to the microbit, you shake it, then it would appear on the LED whether it's a scissors, paper, or stone in random. So for such a simple program, you can see that by using block-based, by using the MakeCode, it's actually quite big, the program. So I need to zoom out in order to see the entire program. Okay? Yeah, so this is the entire program. It takes up a lot of space. So let's look at how the same program can be written in MicroPython. So this is it. And you can see that text-based programming, how many lines of code in order to do the same thing? 14 lines of code only. Yeah, that is why for writing large program, text-based programming language is the way to go. So at this point, some of you might be wondering, why am I learning MakeCode Editor or block-based programming? Now, actually, block-based programming is easier for students who learn programming for the first time. But once you become familiar with the block-based programming, you should challenge yourself to write more professional code using a text-based editor like MicroPython.